Naligo wala ka na po.
Yes, real na real koko ko yan. Toong koko ko yan, daddy. Hindi ko, wala yung ano, walang gel.
Thank you! So cute! What's this? Ice cream? Yeah! Thank you so much, teacher! Thank you!
Wait.
So nice.
Why you did this?
Yes, why? Don't understand!
I mean, why you buy this for us?
Yes, why? Why you treat us? Is it because we're going home now?
Huh?
Is it because we're going home na? That's why you treat us? Uy, kaban na?
Kabama na eh. No,
No.
I mean,
Last duty na,
you
guro.
buy this for us. Why?
Translator. Oh. Translator. Aray. Yeah. Last night, I was scammed. I thought it's gel, but it's not.
How much is it?
Same price. Night market, sorry. Ow!
ทำไมล่ะ Why?
Shoot na kwarta. Ma-shoot na kwarta. Shoot na kwarta. Otro. For the family.
For the family,
We do
we make-
everything. We do everything. And I thank you. Everything. Hala.
Asahan mo biyahe, ma'am? Pasalubong lahat to.
Ano ba?
Salamat, ma'am.
Ano to par? Ba't ang daming par?
Ang dami niyong binili.
Na para bang kasya lahat ng ano, slipper. Alam mo ba yung
Ayun, ang
size?
slipper. Ano na ng slipper? Oh, kana na. Magkuha na kag bag.
Okay. Ito.
Astilan. Isuda ka na uban sa bag.
Plastic.
May chocolate ni Lady. Pero Nago, pagpalit. Okay, biyahe. Set 34B. Ready to
Flight.
land.
Flight 101.
Bag.
Ikaw bag. One ikaw bag. 7 bag. Okay.
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 Kasaman mo na departure, ma'am.
Sa
Naiya.
Philippine Airlines. Ato.
Na para bang.
Let me take a video with you. Walking lang yan siya. Parang may car. Ang daming binili, parang may car ah. Pagdating sa Pilipinas talaga rin ah.
Basta kay
Pinayan sila.
airport.
Japig si Mall. What if itong buhian kang? Puwak ng ilang tindahan di. Yeah!
Sana bang flow machine. Guys, search sa Google, pwede ba mag-dig ko no? Kay gamay lagi ka.
Yeah, gana no? Nagkaida pa mo og 16.
Namang 16 ato? Waya?
16 ko.
16 Pro Pod. Wala waya ka nagbago na ko. Kaya mo to TikTok? Ma-change na ba? Diyan, armor.
Tama po niya pala.
Di ba kasi dalit?
Pasali ka po.
Ko?
So, the 3 musketeers are going home na.